Natin si Ara.
Ang lahat ng aking galaw.
Tumitingin si Coach Lea kay Coach Sharon.
Ang sanhi.
Wala, I'll just look at Sharon today. It's her song, eh?
It's nice. No pressure now. It's all right.
We both sung it, so this is a tough one for both of us. Yes.
Kulang ang magpagkailan pa man.
Very nice quality to your voice, man.
Upang bawat sandali ay upang muli ay ang mahalin ay
Will you or will you not?
ikaw.
Let the games begin!
Congratulations po. Ikaw din?
Anong pangalan mo?
I'm Ardel po.
Laki ng hikaw ni Coach Leo. Parang Leon na lang kulang.
Sorry na hindi kita inikutan today. Malapit na malapit ang kantang yan sa puso ko. It was one of the songs sung at my wedding, so it's very, so it's very malapit. And it's a very famous song also of Coach Sharon. Kaya habang kumakanta ka, siya yung tinitignan ko.
Thank you
And
po.
let the games begin.
Yes. Hi, Ardell.
Hello po.
Yes, alam ko, this is a song sung by Coach Sharon. I could sing this in the future too, you know.
Yeah, you
Baka, i-cover ko to kaya. I don't know, man.
You know what?
Papagising
Yeah.
ko.
I shall argue to the death.
But I just like yung vocal quality mo, yung napaka-pristine, klarong-klaro yung boses mo na gustong-gusto ko talaga. Pag ganun klaseng boses na narinig ko, it just tells me again, madami tayong pwede paglaruan lang. I would like you to join Camp Quine. Really think about joining Camp Quine. Really want to be in Camp Quine. That's what we want. Alam ko, I know, parang parang uphill battle to para sa akin. Because I know the song, pag kinakanta mo yan, may sinasabi ka na eh. Pero hindi ako papayag. Right? I want you in my team.
Hindi daw papayag.
Yes.
Hindi daw siya
Minsan
papayag.
talaga
Yes.
ganyan. Kasi minsan para tayong mga loka-loka, tayo yung hirap na hirap. Tapos siya pipiliin.
Sige, siya naman ang maghirap ngayon. Ako'y
Wala,
manonood
diba?
lang dito sa inyong dalawa.
Aradel, hi! Hello po. Umpisa pa lang iikot na ako. Sinuspense lang kita. Parang kahit tulog ako, makakanta ko yan. Hindi lang yan. Napakarami ko pang awit na pwedeng ituro sa'yo. Pwede mong maperpekto yung awit na yan na mas siguro maganda sa version ko pag akong nag-coach sa'yo dahil mas gugustuhin ko yun. Tapos, marami ka pang mga awit na pwedeng testingin natin kung anong nababagay sa'yo. Pero Tagalog pa lang. Tagalog! Where's word? What? Where's word?
Oh, Aradel.
Ang pipiliin ko pong coach, alam ko po na matutulungan niya po kung mas ma-improve pa po yung boses ko. Pipiliin ko pong coach ay si Coach Sharon po.